Welcome to Quebec City, the capital of the Canadian province of Quebec. We're here during a fall travel trip to tour the city's 400-year-old history. We're going to explore Old Quebec and its European heritage, tour the Parliament, and sample the cuisine. Let's first grab some food at a bar called Artefact. It was built atop Quebec's old port and has a 300-year-old history. Look at this. The bar overlooks the old port. Where are you? We are at a restaurant and bar called Artefact, and it's built atop the old port. So you can actually see the artifacts right here. Bar Artefact is part cocktail bar, part museum. It was built atop Quebec's original foundations. The bar even showcases the artifacts found right here during recent archaeological digs, many of which date back to the 1600s. We are at the Hotel Artefact. We just ordered lunch, delicious treats including the mini poutine, pea soup, a healthy bowl, and a lobster roll. Poutine, baby. Look at this tart. Bienvenue! We're in Quebec City. It is fall here. And look at this beautiful UNESCO World Heritage Site city. Tu fais semblant.
Je peux pas dire ça parce que je suis une actrice qui est très village et bourgeois.
Tu fais semblant d'être content. Going into the Cathedral of the Holy Trinity. Hello from Quebec City. We just wrapped up our city tour and now we're gonna go check out the Chateau Frontenac. Woo. The fur trade.
The color is nice. Yeah.
One of the last great skyscrapers built here in Quebec City, built in the unfortunate year of 1929. It's very, very tall. This is done in Art Deco style. We can't go in, but this is the view from the glass door. Hey guys, we stopped off at this little cafe, Bobo Cafe, and I got ketchup chips. Mike got a matcha. It's just like mine's. Bacon. So we're walking around the city at night, and a lot of the buildings are pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Here's the Chateau, it's all lit up! Breast Cancer Awareness Month, woo! It's like we're in Paris, but we're in North America. Quebec. Quebec. We have made it inside the iconic building, the Chateau Frontenac. Woo! It's owned by the Fairmont. We're about to go get some food at the restaurant. Le Sam Bistro is located inside the iconic and tallest building in Quebec City, Le Chateau Frontenac. The bistro is known for their cocktails, locally sourced artisan cheeses, and beautiful views of the port. We just ordered a cocktail called an Old Romeo. What did we order?
This has local Quebec gin made out of local herbs. This water.
Esca, local to the region.
Here, the cheeses. This one here is called the Grosse Île. It's a cheese made of pasteurized cow milk. This one here is called the Grès des Champs, made of raw cow milk this time. They are both cheeses from here in Quebec.
We just ordered the crab cakes with the panna cotta. Steak tartare, cheese plate with cheeses of Quebec. We just got the smoked salmon. Now you can't leave Quebec without ordering something maple, so on that note, time for dessert. So we just got dessert. This is the miniatures with a lemon macaroon. Then we got a pumpkin cake, maple leaf dessert. Right. All right, Mike. We just finished eating at
Château, Frontenac.
and it was so good. We tried the lobster cheese board with the local cheeses, and then it was time for dessert, death by maple. You can't come to Canada without trying the maple. We walk through the classy and picturesque interior of the Chateau Frontenac, which is a National Historic Site of Canada. We're at the beautiful Chateau, Chateau Frontenac. We are walking around Quebec City at night. Behind me is the Chateau, all lit up. This is rated one of the safest cities in the world and in North America. It's pretty rare to be in a city in North America at 10 p.m. at night and it's super safe. Except for these witches. Gotta watch out for them. Bonsoir. So get ready because tomorrow is day 2 where we're gonna check out the city.
We're going to the National Assembly here in Quebec, and we're gonna take a tour, and then we're gonna get some lunch or brunch here after. We're so excited.
We are going to the Parliament building. It's right over here. You can see the fleur-de-lis on the flag.
Well, we're here at the National Assembly. Beautiful building. All the statues are of historical figures from French-Canadian history.
Today, we're taking a free guided tour of the Parliament and the National Assembly. The exterior of the building was modeled after the Louvre in Paris and built between 1877 and 1866, while the interior underwent some major renovations. Inside the Parliament building, we were surprised to find an art installation, a singing tunnel of light that reminded us of a xylophone and changed color as you walked through it. These are all activated by sensors. I'm in an ice box. So we are inside the Parliament building here in Quebec, and this is the interactive portion. It's all done in French because that's the official language here. And there is an election coming up on the 21st. We are inside the Parliament waiting for the presentation to start. The 75-minute guided tour begins at the newly renovated reception pavilion. So these are little holes and each one is a different shade, so it makes up a theme of Quebec. a media room. This is the main building, built in 1877. So this is Samuel de Champlain. He is an explorer who founded this region. During the tour, we're able to go inside the National Assembly chamber, where the members of the provincial parliament sit.
Look at the stained glass. This is the restaurant.
After the tour, we walk around Old Quebec, which oozes history and charm reminiscent of old European cities. Here is a map of Quebec City, and as you can see, we are right here, and it is super walkable. We are in Quebec. It is late October, and the sun came out.
Sun, blue
Fall
skies.
weather. It's about 58 degrees. Old Quebec City is filled with shops, cafes, bed and breakfast, and restaurants. It is the birthplace of French America, founded by Samuel de Champlain in 1608, who arrived to set up a permanent fort for his fur trading posts. We are walking through the old city. Look at how picturesque everything is, all the different colors of the buildings, the different styles of architecture, and then you have fall leaves. Look at this cool native art collection here. The city includes an upper and lower town accessible by stairs or funicular. It says here that in 1879, the wood encased funicular steam-powered engine operated only 6 months per year. Now it operates all the time. So behind me is a statue of King Louis of France, and they did an art installation around him of a snow globe. It's on temporary display here. We found one of the Quebec locals. Look at all of these fall colors. One of the best views of the city is via the funicular, which offers 360-degree views. So this is the old port, and you can take ferry boats across the way. It's really beautiful and scenic. And then we have a Holland America cruise ship here. We are on the ferry in Quebec. This is our boat. Woo. Behind us is Chateau Frontenac, and then we are going to
Lévis.
Bonjour. So here's where we're going on the other side of Quebec, called Lévis. We are coming into shore. Look at this one golden tree right there. We are on the other side of the St. Lawrence River, and you can see Quebec City right here. And we're gonna take this really cute walking path that goes along the coast to see some viewpoints of the sunset. After checking out the views of Quebec from Lévis, it was time to head back on the ferry to check out the sunset. The ferry ride is only 12 minutes long and operates year-round. This is the vending machine, and they have all different types of espressos, even chicken soup. the entire city of Quebec, including the Chateau Frontenac, light up at night, offering some of the most beautiful nighttime photos of the city. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video of Quebec. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and tune in for more travel videos.